Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my channel. My name is Priska and today I'm here to show you how to prepare amazing chapati. There's two kinds of chapati, which is water chapati and rolling chapati. So today I'm going to show you how to cook or how to prepare rolling chapati. All you need a bowl where you're going to put all your recipe. You need a glass which you're going to measure the flour. You need warm oil. This is a vegetable oil. It's a warm. It's this kind, vegetable oil or just regular oil. And you need sugar. You also need salt. You need a teaspoon and turmeric powder. You need a handy mixer. You need warm water, and you need a flour. I have two kinds of flour. This one is all-purpose bleached all-purpose flour, and this one is unbleached all-purpose flour. Actually, I like to mix because I find there is a very slight difference between them. So most of the time I like to mix, but if I find one, I always use one, but most of the time I prefer to mix both of them. So I'm gonna show you from the first step how to prepare. I'm going to measure 1 glass of unbleached all-purpose flour.
And to those my Swahili people, I'm going to put all recipe and ingredients in the description below. So you can go to description below and check the all ingredients you need for your chapati. I will put it in Swahili and English. So to those my Swahili people, you're going to find all the names there. I'm going to measure another 1 glass of bleached all-purpose flour. As I said, it's not a must to have both of this flour. Some other places they have only one type of flour. It depends on where you're living. So you just have to follow the steps on how to prepare. But for me, I prefer to mix. And sometimes I don't, but I get the perfect chapati. So for now, I'm going to put all dry ingredients, which is I'm going to measure 1 teaspoon of sugar, and this is salt, this is 1 teaspoon of salt, and the tip of turmeric powder. How it works, it helps me to get a yellow golden color, which makes my chapati look so amazing. So that's why I use turmeric powder. Some people thought I was using some eggs, but the secret behind it is this. You just put a little bit, because if you put a lot, you're going to mess up your taste. And after, I'm going to mix everything. I see all of my flour is already got oil. And if you're not sure with the salt or sugar which you put in, you may test at this step. You may take a little bit of flour and test a little bit. So if it's not enough, you may add a little bit of sugar or salt before you put the water. So for me, I'm sure everything is fine. So now I'm gonna add a little by little of my warm water. Make sure your hands are clean. You have a KitchenAid machine, you may use that. For me, I tried to show you from the scratch. You may cook, or you can cook perfect chapati even if you don't have KitchenAid. You just use your hand to mix everything together in a perfect way. You see, we have started getting the yellow color. This comes from the turmeric powder which we put in. To clear my bowl, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. And the oil helps me no more stick. It doesn't stick anymore on my hands. Okay, for now, our recipe is ready. I'm gonna leave it in this bowl and cover it with a plastic wrap, or you may use a plastic wrap, or you may just use anything to cover to close all the air. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it for 30 minutes before I start cook my chapati. Hey, welcome back. This is after 30 minutes and our dough is ready. Actually, this stage it's important, but if you are in a hurry of making a chapati, you may just skip it. It's not a must to do it, but if you got time, you gotta do it. And at this step, we need unsalted butter. I got mine from Walmart, and this is how it looks like. I just use one of these. I melted it, which is here. The one which I'm going to apply on my on this step. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do it. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to pour a little bit of flour. This is where I'm gonna put my okay, this is my dough. I'm going to cut it now. This size is perfect for me, as you can see, guys. And for here we are going to get approximately like 7 to 8 chapati. Yes. Ooh, how many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. We're gonna get 7. Let me add here a little more. This looks smaller. So yeah, we got 7 chapati. The flour it's going to help me. My chapati won't stick here. That's why I put the flour. So at this stage, you're going to roll your chapati in anyhow. You don't need to get a round shape. You just roll it in anyhow. This step it helps us to get the layers. You need layers. The perfect chapati is the one which got layers. You have to get 3 to 4 layers in the perfect chapati. So I'm going to put this half spoon of unsalted butter. Yeah, as I said, the perfect chapati you need to have 3 to 4 layers. So this is one of the steps which is going to help us to get layers. I'm gonna show you today. I'm gonna show you two ways of rolling it. The first one is this one. You have to roll this way. Make it longer. Roll to your finger like this, like that. Then put inside. You push it. Then you put it aside. But unsalted butter, if it's available, it's more better. It also adds some taste to your chapati. So you have to roll it this way. Roll it. Then you put it inside. And this is another. So you gotta cut it. You start here, you cut it all the way down, then you start rolling it like that in triangle shape or pyramid shape. Then you take the ending, you roll it to the end, then you push it inside. Push it like that. You see, they all look same. But the forms of the layer between this and this, it's a little bit different. I love the layers which are formed by the first tile. They all form the layers, but the layers they're a little bit different. Okay guys, we are done with this step. I'm gonna cover everything with a paper towel and wait it for like 10 minutes before I start cooking my chapati. Welcome again after 10 minutes.
At this step, we need a frying pan. You need a plate where you're going to put chapati. Actually, I already cooked some. Where you're going to put your chapati, that's the plate. You need vegetable oil. You need a flour, which you're going to use in rolling. You need a spoon, which you're going to use in flip your chapati if you're scared. For me, I normally use this spoon, regular spoon. But if you're scared, you may use the long one. And you need a paper towel. This one it's going to help you in flip your chapati. So here we go. At this step, you have to make sure you're going to get a circle. Actually a round shape. I'm gonna start rolling. And at this time, my stove it's in medium. I put in medium. You don't need to put much because you're going to burn your chapati if you put too high. And if we put too low, your chapati is going to remain for a long time and it's gonna make it won't be soft. So make sure you get a round shape. As you can see guys, you see the lines? These are the lines which I told you they are going to form layers. So this is my round shape. I'm gonna take it and put in my frying pan like that.
Actually, when you're cooking, You have to make sure you check it every 5 seconds to make sure your chapati is not burnt. When it get the golden color, you may flip it. You may turn it and check. Okay, I'm preparing the second one. Okay, you can see guys, it's forming the layers. You see? These are layers. Okay, my chapati is ready. You can see guys, the golden yellow color. We got it from the turmeric powder. Okay, my chapati is ready. I'm going to flip it like that. You see guys, it's forming some layers. You see how it pop up. And you have to check and turn it like that. So I see underneath here it's already golden. So I'm gonna put some vegetable oil and use a spoon to turn it like that. And you squeeze it while turning. Then I'm gonna put 1 spoon of oil. Then turn it like that. You see guys, the golden yellow color. And make sure you use the paper towel to turn it like that. So guys, our chapati is ready. As you can see, let me wait a little bit. So guys, our chapati is ready all side. You can see golden yellow color. So guys, this is our chapati. You can see guys, when you cut, you form the layers. You see some layers. So this is how chapati has to be. I can roll it and fold it in anyhow I want to be. Can put in anyhow I want.
Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share.